MCs, cause we doing it right the first time. Picture perfect, snap, let's make a movie. All those good guys grooving, roof ride clean like a new lease. Big stepping in the neighborhood, fly guy, why they got their heads buried? Doing the full restoration, so they kinda getting worried. Let me see your project, they don't wanna get embarrassed. I see they need repairs, tell me why you in a hurry. Shingle swaps, only quick fix, get it dirty. Not for us, thank you, I'll take my time. Let's do it right, baby, all the good guys, yeah.
Sharp lines, clean metal. Good guys do it better. Sharp lines, clean metal. Good guys do it better. Sharp lines, clean metal. Good guys do it better.
Take a peek in the neighborhood, you can tell who ain't good guys. Off top when I pull up, it just don't look right. Guess it works for now, I don't know if it'll be a goodbye. We'll just call it all even, cause the good guys don't let competition. If you see another good one, baby, it's an apparition. Holly if you see me, cause you know we do